Pluto did not change. In 2006, it did not suddenly shrink. It did not lose mass. It did not drift away from the sun. Pluto was exactly the same object it had always been. What changed was us. And that moment tells us something deeply important, not just about Pluto, but about how little we truly understand the universe we live in. For decades, Pluto was more than a planet. It was the distant one, the lonely one, the edge of everything we thought we knew. We saw it in textbooks, in classrooms, in our imagination. A tiny world frozen in darkness, circling the sun far beyond the warmth of Earth. We gave Pluto meaning, not because it was large, but because it was there. And then one day, we were told it never belonged. But here is the first truth. Pluto was never weak. Pluto was never simple. Pluto was never wrong. Pluto does not move like the other planets. Its orbit is tilted, 17 degrees off the flat plane of the solar system. It is stretched, not circular. Sometimes Pluto is closer to the sun than Neptune. Then slowly, silently, it drifts back into the deep cold, far beyond where sunlight feels like memory. To a beginner, this looks chaotic, but it isn't. Pluto is locked in a perfect gravitational dance with Neptune, a 3-to-2 orbital resonance. For every 3 orbits Neptune completes, Pluto completes exactly 2. They will never collide. What looks like disorder is actually precision. For a long time, we thought Pluto was dead. Just ice, just stone, just frozen silence. Then came New Horizons, and Pluto changed forever. Not physically, but in our minds. We saw mountains of ice, glaciers flowing like slow breath, a heart-shaped plain the size of Texas, Sputnik Planitia, a place so young, so active, it shouldn't exist on a world that small. Pluto has layers, a rocky core, an icy mantle, possibly a subsurface ocean. An ocean on a world smaller than our moon. Pluto even has an atmosphere, thin, fragile, alive only when it nears the sun. It appears and disappears. Pluto breathes, not like Earth, but in its own way. Pluto was never alone. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, a vast region filled with icy worlds. And suddenly, a problem appeared. If Pluto was a planet, then many others had to be planets too, and our solar system would never be simple again. In 2006, the rules changed. Not because Pluto failed, but because our understanding grew. Pluto did not clear its neighborhood. It shares its space. It belongs to a family. And yet, Pluto remains the most complex dwarf planet we know. 5 moons, a binary system, active geology, an atmosphere, possibly an ocean. Pluto is not lesser. It is different. And sometimes, different is more interesting. Our senses are limited. Our tools are incomplete. The universe does not care about our categories. Pluto reminds us of that. It shows us that science is not about certainty, but about honesty. Pluto did not fall. It revealed how vast the solar system truly is. It taught us humility. Pluto never changed. We did. And the universe is better for it. Thank you for watching until the end.